Welcome to this peaceful morning meditation. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. As you settle into a comfortable position, allow your body to relax and your mind to become still. With each gentle breath, feel yourself becoming more present, more aware. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Let go of any tension, any stress from yesterday. Right now, there is nothing to do but simply be. Feel your body slowly waking up. Notice the sensations in your fingers, your toes, your chest rising and falling with each breath. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this new day. Now, begin to invite in positive energy. Silently repeat to yourself, I am calm. I am focused. I am grateful. I welcome this day with joy. Feel the power in those words. Let them sink in. Visualize a warm golden light beginning to glow from within your heart. With each breath, this light expands, gently flowing through your chest, your arms, your legs, all the way to your fingertips and toes. This light fills you with energy, with peace, with purpose. You are exactly where you need to be. You are ready to embrace this day with confidence and kindness. Take one more deep breath in. And as you exhale, smile gently. Carry this calm, this light, and this positive energy with you as you move into your day. You are awake. You are alive. And this is a beautiful beginning. Thank you for joining this morning meditation. If this helped you feel more positive and centered, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more relaxing content. We'd love to have you as part of our peaceful community. Have a beautiful day ahead. And remember, your energy sets the tone for everything.